YALLs, and we're back with another video. Before we get this video started, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button and go ahead and turn on the post notifications so you won't miss our next video. So today, guys, I'm gonna be surprising Mick.
I have no idea where we're going.
It's gonna be fun and I'll take you guys with us. We're gonna have a long day today, so we'll be vlogging everything. We'll see you there.
Disclaimer. This video was made before COVID-19. We hope everyone is safe and taking precautions. Enjoy the video. I don't know what I ever thought it would feel like to ride in a helicopter, but it wasn't that. Like, it was so smooth and calm. Like, I guess I thought there would be some sort of like scare factor there.
Right, and there was none.
It just felt comfortable, like relaxed, like I'd done it a million times.
Right, and it was very nice to see, you know. Yeah. It was a very nice experience.
Happy girl or what?
Yes, I'm so happy. And that was so much fun.
Like, I want to do it again.
So this helicopter, basically they have another location, which is in Florida. If we ever go visit my sister, we'd definitely take another helicopter tour.
Like around Miami or something.
Yeah. 30 minutes later, we made it. Are you excited, baby?
I'm ready to eat. Let's go. We bought this wood. I thought it was going to be enough, but we sorely underestimated. It was kind of like a last minute decision. Since we put it up, we really like it, but we like the grass. We want grass around it.
So we went to IKEA and we grabbed 3 boxes of turf grass, and we're trying to put them down here because, you know, we do have cats and they're not like dogs where you can just, you know, put them out there.
We recently bought this off of Amazon because our cats kept sticking their heads through the thing,
so we went ahead and created our own little fence so they don't stick out their head.
Trying to make it a more inviting environment for not only us but our animals and our guests as well. So let's get started.
One week later.
So for only spring break, they have just this little part open. Later, they open up the rest of the parks because people actually go then. They shut down between spring break and summer, so makes sense.
So right now we're getting in the water. So exciting! Woo! if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button.
Leave a comment down below so we know what you want to see next during quarantine.
Go ahead and give us a thumbs up.
And click that post notifications bell so you'll be here for our next video.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time on K&M.